first started losing my hair around age 19, really lost my confidence. One of the best things I've ever done for myself, both physically and emotionally. It was really smooth. I was really comfortable. The hair grows in quick and it grows in dense. The office and the staff here at Dr. Bolton's office are fantastic. Dr. Bolton knows what he's doing. He's definitely a professional and a pro. You don't need to look any further than Dr. Bolton. I would 100% recommend Dr. Bolton to anyone. Thank you for giving me a new leash on life.
I was a handsome guy and I felt manly, but not with the hair loss. My procedure went very, very well. Everybody was very, very accommodating, friendly. I feel better about myself now. It's impacted my life. I feel better. I feel like it was a good investment. This is a long-term benefit for me, so I'm very happy with what I did. I recommend Dr. Bolton highly. He's a great guy, does nice work. I recommend him to everybody. It was very simple, very, very simple procedure. Hey Doc, you know people have jars with suckers in them? You should have a jar with combs in them, so people can grab a comb when they leave.
Perfect.
They'll need it later.
Good idea. Thanks.
Was just amazed by the results that are on there. So many stories, so many before and after. You can really see the results. The day of my procedure was great. I live in Connecticut, so I flew down the morning of. Having hair again, like when I was in my teens and early 20s, has been amazing. I would absolutely recommend Dr. Bolton to others. Dr. Bolton, thank you.
26 to 28 years old, I started losing some hair. A friend of mine told me about him. So I came here, so I said, well, I will give him a try. And I came here and I realized that's the place that I was looking for. He looked great, good density. He looks totally different. Thank you very much.
Today we're here with Aldo. He had tremendous loss on top of his head from front to back.
Team we have here, that's something I've never experienced anywhere else. Day by day they call you, you have the cell phone of the doctor. This is beyond expectation. This is no Photoshop, this is no internet, this is all real. I'm a real person.
Dr. Bolton, he creates miracles here. He's going to be less expensive than the other quality doctors who are doing this procedure, so you're not having to repeat the procedure every year and chasing your results and hoping to get density this time. That won't happen here.